everyone. Okay, so this is part 2 when it comes to the article of the week assignment, emotional and physical health. So after you're done watching this video, I need you to watch this because this is where I'm going to explain to you step by step the to-do list or the steps that I need you to follow to finish this assignment, okay? So what I decided that I'm going to do also is that I'm going to create an event and I'm going to write the name of the article of the week, which is emotional physical health, due next Monday, which is April 27th. So I'm going to be creating this later. So every time you open your Edsby, you're going to see that when these are due, okay, or your assignments that are due. But now I'm going to take you straight to the to-do list. So again, at the very top, it says assignment due April 27, article of the week, emotional and physical health. This has 2 sections. So section 1, attack of the nerves, and it feels good to laugh. And I'm just going to take you back to ReadWorks really quickly. So when you're on your readworks.org page, you are going to see this. Now, at the top, this is top number 1, attack of the nerves. Once you're done reading and listening to this piece, you are going to click this piece. And again, what I love about this is that you can listen and you can read at the same time. Okay, so that is the very first thing that you need to do. I do recommend you that you do listen and read it a few times, not just once, so you could actually absorb and process all of that information, all of that new information that you'll be learning. Okay, so then number 2, you're going to write down at least 4 to 5 words you do not know with their definition. Now, we all know sometimes when we're reading, we always are going to come across like new words that we don't know what they mean. And it's more meaningful when I come across a word that I don't know what it means, instead of going to a friend or my husband or my mom or whoever to ask them to explain it to me. I'm going to do the research first. So, and then it becomes more meaningful, but it also is going to stick with me longer and forever. Okay, so that's what I need you to do. Once you're done that, you're going to share all that info with me, so then we can share with the whole class later on. Now, number 3, you're going to answer the question set. The question set is right here. Again, going back to readworks.org, you're going to look at so you have the passages. You don't see this because that's the results. That's Mrs. Talib's grades. That's when I'm going to mark your reading and your assignment. So you're doing this, then the question set. Now, are you writing these down? No, you are not. You are just submitting the answer. Okay, so it's going to look the exact same. It's just going to look a little different, where it's going to give you the opportunity to answer the question. Now, here's the fun part and the really good part is that it tells you in the bold writing at the top, it actually tells you where this question is from. Now, I know some of you are probably going to read the question, go back to the article, read the question, go back to the article, which is fine, but it's going to take a lot longer. So the reason why I ask you to read and listen to the video for a few more than a couple of times is that you are giving yourself more than one time to process and to retain all that information. So then when it comes to the question part, you could just answer them, no problem. Okay. And then finally, the last step is you're going to write 4 things you learned from this article. So I want you to choose 2 things that you learned from the attack of the nerves and 2 things it feels good to laugh. Okay, and you're going to write those down and you're going to share them with me. Now, once you submit this assignment, it will get marked and it will be returned to you, and the mark will be out of 40 points. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, please just message me and ask away. I'm always going to be here. And I always look forward to speaking with you, and I'm always happy, very, very happy to hear from you guys. And yeah, and that's it for the day. All right, guys, you have a great day, and I will talk soon. Bye.